Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game Rematch. You got an error of EasyAntiCheat not installed or the launch error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first method, launch the Steam and close it. Even from Task Manager, launch the Task Manager. In the search option, type in Steam and right click on the Steam and choose the option End Task. This will completely close the Steam. Make sure you close all the Steam processes. After closing the Steam, try to restart your Steam to fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, in next step, you need to open the game directory. For example, at my end, the game is installed in F drive, SteamLibrary Rematch. In this folder, you will find a folder with the name EasyAntiCheat. Double click to open it. Now in this address bar, click so that the path will be highlighted. Right click on the path and choose option copy. Now click on start menu and type PowerShell and choose the option run as administrator. Now type here cd space the path that we have just copied. So simply paste right over here by pressing the Ctrl plus V key and then hit the enter key. Now here type in dot /. After typing dot /, you need to copy the name of this particular file, which is EasyAntiCheat. So click on it, press the F2 key, right click and choose option copy. Now again open PowerShell and next to dot /, paste the name as it is by pressing the Ctrl plus V key. Now give a space, type install. Now give a space and you need to type in the product ID. And product ID is right in this folder. You will find a file with the name settings. Right click and choose the option open with and select notepad. Now here is the product ID. You need to copy this product ID. Select it, right click, copy, close it. Now again open the PowerShell and paste the product ID as it is by pressing the Ctrl plus V key and then hit the enter key. After doing so, close it. Now go ahead, restart your PC and the issue of launch error EasyAntiCheat is not installed while playing the rematch will be completely fixed. So as of now, that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.